Hi everyone, my name is Kinsey, and today I'm doing my place project on the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. So the background on Tower of Terror, so the attraction is located in Sunset Boulevard at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and it opened on July 22nd, 1994, and it is one of the most popular rides at Walt Disney World to this day. You must be 40 inches or taller to ride this ride. It caters to kids, teens, and older and adults. This ride includes sudden fast drops in a dark enclosed space, so it might be a little frightening to some guests. So what inspired the creation of Tower of Terror? The attraction was inspired by the TV series The Twilight Zone, and the attraction itself is actually inspired a 1997 film of the same name. And I think this can actually be found on Netflix. I have not watched it, but I've heard it's actually really good. Okay. The development and architecture. So the architecture of Tower of Terror was inspired by several locations in Southern California, like Mission Inn and Biltmore Hotel. Due to the Tower of Terror's height, it can be seen from the Morocco Pavilion in Epcot's World Showcase. And down here in the corner, I have the map of where Tower of Terror is located in the park. How has the Tower of Terror changed over the years? So it has recently received updates, including randomized drop sequences and additional visuals in show scenes. Overall, the ride is very much the same as when it debuted and is considered a modern classic. So not much has changed, but they do have randomized drop sequences that I will talk about in just a minute. Okay, so unique features and fun facts. So the storyline of the attraction sets the date as Halloween night, October 31st, 1939. The attraction features a 13-story drop, which I actually read that this is actually not a drop, it's more of a pull. The guests feel like they're dropping, but it's actually not a drop. The ride measures at 199 feet tall, and so Tower of Terror is one of the tallest attractions at Walt Disney World Resort. And then if I were responsible for the Tower of Terror, I think I would change the age and height limit, just because with it being a little bit more frightening than other rides, I would make it to where younger children don't have access to this ride, just so that way it'd be more enjoyable for the older children and adults. Just because I don't think that there is an age limit. There are 4 Tower of Terror attractions at Disney parks: Disney's Hollywood Studios, Disney California Adventure Park, Walt Disney Studios Park, and Tokyo Disney Sea. Guests can't prepare themselves for the exact level of terror they'll experience on the ride, so in 2002, Disney upgraded the Tower of Terror with computerized drop sequences for each individual experience, so riders don't know how many times they'll drop or from what heights, so you could do the Tower of Terror as many times as you want. It would never be the same, which is really neat to me, and I think that would be one of the first things I would want to ride if I ever got to experience Disney World. So yeah, and then this is my reference page, and that is my presentation.